Today we are going to talk about financial bridges. In this case, we have a margin report, which has an initial figure in a scenario called Forecast 1 and compares it versus a final Forecast 2. In this analysis, we are making a breakdown by each account in the report, calculating the absolute variation to understand how the final figure is constructed. We can choose different products and scenarios to make the analysis that we need. You can see in a very quick way where are the main variations. For example, in this case, for the product truck A, we are seeing a positive variation on the gross sales line of 175.6, a negative impact on returns line, and the cost is also pulling down the final margin figure. Here we can see that all the numbers are matching with our bridge. Now let's say that we want to change our scenario to make a budget analysis. As you can see, the bridge will automatically update the numbers. The starting point will change to 199.7 to our same final figure of Forecast 2. Now let's talk a little bit about how this file is working. I will change the scenario from budget to Forecast 1 and move to the control sheet. Here we can see that V is bringing the absolute variation for each line, and the graphic is pulling the data from the frame on the left. In this frame, we will classify trough formulas the absolute variations on the right side. If it is a positive or negative, we'll add or reduce to the cumulative figures. Finally, the graphic will update one more time with this new scenario. That's all for today. Please follow me for more tips. Thanks.